Is your company's security truly optimized? At Scati, we don't just manufacture and develop security systems. We are your strategic technology partner. From consulting to maintenance, we offer comprehensive solutions to ensure your peace of mind. Our team of experts supports you every step of the way. Need to adapt technology to your operations? We develop tailor-made software to guarantee maximum efficiency. Thanks to our in-house development capabilities, our solutions adapt to your specific needs. We guide you through the implementation process to ensure full operational performance from day one. In addition, with our Inplant service, you'll have a dedicated technician on site to optimize your operations and security. We ensure continuous system performance with preventive and corrective maintenance. With our digital twin technology, we can predict failures and optimize your system in real time. Our training and certification programs ensure that your team gets the most out of our solutions. At Scati, your security is our priority. Visit our website and discover everything we can do for you.